Hi all. So today in today's bios, I'm going to be starting a new bio series on YouTube. So in today's class, I'm going to be starting chapter 7, chemical coordination in plants, for 10th ICSE students. So in today's class, I have bifurcated this topic into two parts. One will be concerning stimulus response and tropic movement in plants. The one will be about phytohormones. So if you want to watch that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So without further delay, let's get started. So I'll explain this stimulus response through an example. Suppose, for instance, you are walking on a road and you come across a pin or sharp object, and unknowingly you step on it. So instant US this pin here is called so stimulus here for instant withdrawal of your leg is called response. So let's define a stimulus and response. Explain. Let me explain the stimulus and response. So stimulus, any change in the external or in internal environment. Stimulus, any change in the external or internal environment of an organism. So response, let me define that for you too. The react slash response caused due to the reaction or response caused due to stimulus is called response. Understood? So now let's move on to the next topic, that is about your what is it? Tropic movement in plant. So tropic movement. So we know that plants do not move from one place to another, but they show certain movements. Um, so tropic movements are one of them. So it can be defined as the movement of plant part in the direction of stimulus. So let me just write that down for you. Movement of plant part in the direction of is called Geotropic. Tropic movement in plants. So next, uh, we have 5 types of tropism. So Three, four, five. So we have 5 types of tropic movement in plants. Tropic. So now it's a term in biology starting with photo means light. So photons, photolysis, everything, photosynthesis, etc. relates to light. So photo means light, and tropism here means movement. So light movement. Phototropism is simple words, it's light movement. So let's quickly write notes for that. So now, yes. Now first topic, phototropism. Phototropism. So 1 second, guys. So phototropism. Let me insert it here. That photo. Let's see this. So phototropism. Right, let me complete this notes for you. So phototropism. As you can see in this image, the plant here, flower part is moving towards this is the source of light, and this and it is moving towards light. So now this phototropism can be defined as the movement of plant, sorry, the movement of plant part in the direction of light, or you can say and the movement of plant part in response to light is called phototropism. So, you see, movement of plant in response third point to mention here. Now, shoot by shoot is positively phototropic and root is negatively phototropic. So, shoot is positively phototropic means that shoot is active, sorry, is growing in the direction of light, and root is growing away from the direction of light and away from the stimulus. Here, light. So, And here, one point to mention, auxins play an important role in phototropism. This can be asked as a question in FA2 or boards or even pre-boards also. Thus, we complete phototropism. We have geotropism, hydrotropism, thermotropism, and chemotropism to go. So I will start with geotropism now. So geotropism, gravity movement, things like that. Think it's gravity movement. So I would really like to share one image with you guys. This image. See? So here's my handwriting. It's not good, please. It's in this notes. So now let's understand geo. So let me do. So here in this video, sorry, in this picture, we can see that the plant when topped when the plant is made to fall, the roots they should starts growing in the yeah, they should start growing in the direction of gravity. No, they should roots start growing in the direction of gravity. So the movement lands part. So roots are way on. There's no hormone really responsible for geotropism. No, there's no hormone in textbook. It does not say anything about hormones. So we will continue with hydrotropism now. Uh, Hydrotropism. So we completed photo geotropism also. Now I would like to share one. Is it phototropism? Geotropism, hydrotropism. Yeah. Right. So hydrotropism. The movement point. Second point, roots again. Roots are this diagram. Please mark it as important. Going to tell. Now, roots are tropic. So we know that, and then we have that's it. So hydrotropism also finished. So I'll explain hydrotropism. The movement of plant part in response to water is called hydrotropism. And this diagram, which is very important, when we do the second part of this chapter of phytohormones and some important questions, that this question also comes. So now let's go and finish of Thigmotropism and Chemotropism together. So first step, so first, right, and guys, here Thigmo means touch and tropism means movement. So touch tropism. I'm going to give you some examples also in this. No examples till now, so I'm going to have to give you some examples in this too. TUCH is called AD. First one. No, no. There are only examples you have to get. Examples are also very important. One example of this is wine, not the drinking wine, the wine plant, grape vine plant. Another example would be your sweet peas by some sativa. And sorry, etc. So We have almost completed. Only one topic left, that is Chemotropism. Chemotropism. I would like to share a picture with you guys. Just 1 second, just give me a minute's time. See. We completed with the right hand side. Best diagram complete. So now chemotropism. Chemotropism is the movement of plant part in response to chemicals. Plant organs in response to chemicals is called as chemotropism. So first let me define, then I'll give you an example. And I just talked to you about the sunflower which tropism the sunflowers exhibit. So So examples of tropism would be formation of pollen tube. One of the biggest examples we can take. Next one is dorsal movement. So again, this also works based on example also. So first one is pollen, POLLEN tube for METI. Expect this pollen tube and then movement of tentacle. So I'll explain chemotropism. So it is movement of plant part in response to chemicals is called chemotropism. So what does this mean? In this example, we have taken of pollen tip formations. When the pollen grains fall on the pollen, it travels down to the ovule to get fertilized with the to form seeds and fruit. So in that process, there's a pollen tube which carries this. So during the process of fertilization, pollen tube gets formed, and so chemotropism occurs. So next, sunflower. So now heliotropism. And it's a fascinating, fascinating phenomenon of young flowers flower heads following the sun across the sky as it moves from east to west. So it's simple. Actually, they won't test you on heliotropism, so do not break your head on heliotropism. With that, we complete the first part of chemical coordination in plants. I hope you liked it. If you do like it, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you next week. Till then, take care and bye.